You ever sit there knowing what you need to do, but your brain just won't cooperate? You procrastinate, you scroll, you make excuses. This method, the Lotus Method, will force your brain to do hard things, even when every part of you wants to run. Step 1. Start in the mud. Not with motivation. Lotus flowers grow in mud. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They bloom in the struggle. Same with action. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start in the mess. The resistance? That's your starting signal. If it feels uncomfortable, you're probably exactly where you need to be. Step 2. Use the 3-minute rule. Tell yourself, just 3 minutes. Start the thing, not finish it, just start. Write the first sentence. Open the document. Put on your shoes. Your brain resists starting, not doing. Once you're in motion, momentum takes over. Step 3. Break the pattern. Physically. When your brain stalls, don't try to think harder. Change your state. Stand up, stretch, splash cold water, change rooms. Movement breaks mental loops. Motion rewires emotion. Energy shifts instantly. Step 4. Shrink the task. Then expand. Your brain hates vague, overwhelming goals. Don't say, I have to write 5 pages. Say, I'll write 5 bullet points. Once you do that, you'll want to do more. Start small, expand naturally. Step 5. Make the mud sacred. Reframe discomfort. The hard thing you're avoiding? That's your gatekeeper. Every time you push through it, your brain gets stronger. Start seeing discomfort as the path, not the problem. Your growth is buried under resistance. That's why the Lotus Method works. So next time your brain says, nope, too hard, remember the lotus. Grow in the mud. Start small. Move your body. Reframe resistance. That's how you force your brain to do hard things and turn it into a weapon. Which step hit you hardest? Let me know in the comments. Like if you're done waiting for motivation. Subscribe for weekly mental mastery drops.